I used to pay a freelance developer between 1,500 and $3,000 every time I needed a new website built. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why I stopped doing that completely and what I use instead. I'm religious, and this isn't a theoretical video. This is what actually changed in my business over the past few months. Here's what working with developer used to look like. I will write up requirement, wait for a code, wait again for them to start, then wait 2 to 6 weeks for first draft. Then came the revisions round, where every small change request added days, sometimes with extra fees attached. By the time a project was done, I do spend weeks of back and forth and thousands of dollars for something I could have described in 2 sentences. Now here's what changed. I describe what I want in a prompt, and Go High Level AI Studio build it in under 5 minutes. Let me show you with a real example I actually used for client. The client wanted a website for their online coaching business. Here's the exact prompt I use. Build a 5-page website for an online business coach. Include home, about, services, testimonial, and contact pages. Target audience is small business owner wanting to scale. Include a strong call to action to book a free consultation call. Watch this generate. There is it. There is 5 complete pages. Professional copy already written for me. A clean layout that actually makes sense for a coaching business. Did I make some edit afterward? Yes, maybe 15 minutes of small tweaks. Compare that to 6 weeks with a developer. Here's the part that really changed my business model. Because I can build this fast, I now charge client a flat project fees plus a monthly retainer to maintain and host everything inside Go High Level. My time investment per client dropped from weeks to hours, but my pricing stay professional because the client doesn't see how I build it. They see the result, and the result looks exactly as polished as something from a traditional developer. I'm not saying developers are obsolete for every situation. Complex custom applications still need real coding, but for marketing, website, funnel, landing pages, and most small business site, AI has generally replaced that entire workflow for me. If you want to see my exact process and the prompt I use for client project, I have a free guide link in my channel bio. Subscribe for more real behind the scene content like this. See you in the next video.